Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can maintain your streaks on Snapchat. So before I teach you guys how you guys can maintain it, let me tell you what streak is. Alright, streak is the number which is going to be shown right beside your friend's name with a fire emoji or a heart emoji, depends on how long the streak is. Alright, and basically that streak indicates the amount of days which you guys have consistently sent each other a snap. That is basically what snap streak is, and in order to maintain it, let me tell you how we guys can do that. But before I tell you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel, One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Now, so as I said in the beginning, a streak is when you consistently send each other snap for like 24 hours, and the more you do it, the more it's going to be maintained. So let's say I send my friend a snap and he sends me a snap today. Within the next 24 hours, that's going to be one snap streak. And the next day, I again send him a snap and he again sends me a snap, and then it's going to be two snap streak. Just like this, if you keep on sending each other snaps, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a particular photo, no messages, snap, alright? Like this, you go on your camera, click a random photo, click on send to, and pick any person you want, and click on this little arrow button at the bottom. That means I send him a snap. Now if he sends me a snap, then it's going to show one snap streak. And just like this, if you keep on maintaining it, the snap streak will grow. But remember, if you don't send each other snap for 24 hours, it doesn't matter if I send the person snap. If he doesn't returns me another snap, then the snap streak will be over. That's basically what snap streak is. So keep on sending each other snap for like 24 hours to keep on maintaining it, and until and unless you stop sending snap to each other, the snap streak will not be over. So that's how we guys can maintain snap streak on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.